Hey Nagios Community, Hola, Hallo, Hao, and Namaste. Wherever in the world you are, this video is about you, the global Nagios community. Did you realize that you're part of a group of over 1 million Nagios users worldwide? This video is going to explore the many different ways the Nagios community is active today. Plus, I'll share with you 2 very special opportunities that have come up this year that you may not know about. Let's start off at nagios.org. This is where it all began. For the last 25 years, it's been users like yourself, IT admins, sysadmins, developers and DevOps teams, IT hobbyists, and many others. It's been your dedication to using Nagios, spreading the word, and developing your own components and plugins that have made Nagios the strength and the force that it is today. So starting off at nagios.org, let's scroll down to the far bottom. You'll see some sections here, and on the far right, you'll see the community section. Click the header, and you'll see the homepage for Nagios Community. There's some information in general here, and if you scroll down here, you'll see the section called Contribute. Click on the Learn How to Contribute to Nagios button, and then you're taken to a page that shares more about how to get involved. Starting off, we have Advocate. This is where we link to different social channels, as well as recommend advocating and communicating with other users through GitHub or Reddit or any other social channel. My personal favorite is YouTube. Weekly, users around the world are publishing YouTube tutorials, sharing how they're using Nagios and developing plugins in over a dozen languages. It's pretty inspiring. So we love seeing how other users are sharing their Nagios usage online through these channels. If you're interested in development, there are some different ways to get involved here as well. Here on the development side, you can share ideas about the future of Nagios Core and other components through the Nagios Core Development Forum. You can get registered here and start engaging right away. Also, if you get involved under Collaborate, you can join the forums. We have obviously the Nagios Community Forum for the Core Services Platform, which you've shown in other videos. That's this section right here. Also down here under Collaborate, we have Join the Forums button. This is where you can join the community forum for the commercial products, Nagios XI, Log Server, Network Analyzer, and Fusion. Get in the conversation, you can share what's working, discussions about patches and upgrades, as well as the future development roadmap. Lastly, if you've developed a plugin or component or some other presentation and you want to share it to the community, definitely go under the Share section and click Share Your Project on Nagios Exchange. Here at exchange.nagios.org, thousands of community members have uploaded what they've been working on to share with the community at large. We have over 4,000 plugins available for download to help you monitor almost anything you can imagine, and it's growing by the day. If you have an idea about contributing to the Nagios community in a different way than we've listed, go down here to Other Ways to Get Involved and send us an email. Email us at contribute@nagios.org. Tell us about what you're thinking, what you want to do, or already what you're working on. We love hearing from the community, and we're so excited to see how the community will grow in 2025 and beyond. Okay, another special way that is a new announcement is the Nagios Bounty Program. What is that? All right, go down to the bottom here under Community and click on Bounty Program. On this page, you can begin to learn more about this new initiative where the community members can earn paid compensation for active work here in the community. There's a little bit more about it on this page. To learn specific details, under Bounty Program Details, you can learn specifics here at the link here. You click on that, and it loads a KB article with specifics about what kinds of bounties there are, how much they're worth, and also specific needs as to what kind of documentation or videos are needed. So definitely review this, and then go back to the Bounty homepage and click on Sign Up Now to join the program, get registered, and you can get started right away. We're so excited to see how many of y'all will take advantage of this. Additionally, if you participate in this bounty program, you are eligible for an MVP Award nomination. Well, what's that? Well, the MVP Award is a special recognition that Nagios gives out to community members who have really contributed above and beyond. If you click on MVP Award here, it'll take you to the page to learn more about these awards. You can nominate someone that you think is deserving. You can learn more about how we recognize those in the community, whether they're active on the support forums or active in sharing developed plugins and components or other ways. This is a special award given out at special times, and so stay tuned. You never know. Someone you nominate could win, or you yourself could be nominated. We're so excited to see who takes home the next awards. All right, another exciting way to get involved this year is the return of the Nagios World Conference. That's right, you heard me. The conference is back. And so at the very bottom here, under Community, you'll now see a Nagios Conference link. Click that, and you'll be taken to the website for this year's conference, and you can learn all there is to know about the agenda, as well as all the great professional opportunities arising from this. Everything from training with on-hands workshops to networking with other IT professionals and enthusiasts, as well as you can get certified professional credits from being here on site. And you can also discover the latest innovations in monitoring, as well as pro tips and techniques. This is your chance to network, as well as meet with our Nagios team directly. Our support team, our developers, and the rest of the Nagios team will be there. And we're ready to interact and hear from you and see what you're loving, what you're challenged by, and you can share with us your wish list for the upcoming roadmap. We're so excited for this year's event. We can't wait to see you there. Make sure you get your spot before they sell out. As you can see, there are so many ways to be involved in the Nagios community. What you've downloaded with this core services platform is the culmination of 25 years of contributions from community members just like yourself. Even looking through the components here, what's included with the core services platform download, everything from Nagios Core with hundreds of contributors from over the years, through NCPA, NRPE, all kinds of these agents and plugins, as well as third-party add-ons that we enjoy in Nagios XI, such as Bird's Eye, Operations Center, and even NagViz. With such a rich and engaged history, we are so excited to see where the community goes from here. So, keep monitoring, keep creating, and keep sharing. We are so proud to support IT professionals such as yourself. From your home lab deployments to your large global deployments, we are always here from you and thrilled to learn how you are using Nagios to monitor everything imaginable. So, give this video a like, subscribe to our YouTube channel where we're always making content just for you, and we'll look for you in the forums and on the exchange. And we also hope to shake your hand at the upcoming Nagios World Conference. Take care and happy monitoring.